సో ఈ రోజుల్లో మీరందరూ మీ అందరికీ తెలిసే ఉంటుంది. సో చాలా స్కూల్స్లో అసలు గ్రౌండ్స్ అనేవి ఉండవు. ఈ స్పోర్ట్స్ ఇంపార్టెన్సే పిల్లలకి ఆ తెలియని రోజుల్లో ఈ స్కూల్ నారాయణ స్కూల్ చక్కటి గ్రౌండ్ ఉంది. సో అన్ని బ్రాంచెస్ని ఇక్కడ కలిసి ఇక్కడికి తీసుకొచ్చి అందరినీ స్పోర్ట్స్ మీట్ అనేది చాలా ఆనందదాయకం. ఇంకొక విషయం ఏంటంటే స్పోర్ట్స్ వల్ల మీ అందరికీ చెప్పే ఉంటారు, తెలిసే ఉంటుంది ఉపయోగాలు. సో స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఫస్ట్ ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ. సో మీ అందరికీ తెలిసే ఉంటుంది, ఈ ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ లేకపోవటం వలన ఈ ఒబేసిటీ అనేది వస్తుంది. సో ఈ ఒబేసిటీ వలన సో డిఫరెంట్ డిసీజెస్, మెయిన్గా డయాబెటీస్, హైపర్టెన్షన్ ఇలాంటివి వస్తాయి. సో ఫస్ట్ స్పోర్ట్స్ వలన మీ అందరికీ ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ అనేది వస్తుంది. వాటితో పాటు ఈ కాంపిటేటివ్ స్పిరిట్, ఈ ఈ పోటీతత్వం అనేది కూడా ఈ స్పోర్ట్స్ నుంచి వస్తుంది. అందరికీ తెలుసు ఈ రోజుల్లో ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అనేది, వెనకటి రోజుల్లో అంటే ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అనేది చాలా తక్కువ పర్సంటేజ్, అక్షరాస్యత శాతం తక్కువ ఉండేది. ఇప్పుడు అందరూ బాగా పెరుగుతుంది. సో అందరికీ జాబ్స్ రావు. సో ఈ స్పోర్ట్స్ అంటే డిఫరెంట్ యాక్టివిటీస్ వలన డిఫరెంట్ ఈ స్పోర్ట్స్ క్రీడాకారులుగా డెవలప్ అవ్వచ్చు. సో ఇలా ఒక ఉపాధి కూడా. అలాగే కాకుండా సో మెంటల్ రిలాక్సేషన్. సో ఏదైనా గేమ్, సో ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు ఇక్కడ ఈ స్పోర్ట్స్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసే స్టూడెంట్సే కాకుండా సో అందరూ ఏదో ఒక డైలీ ఏదో ఒక యాక్టివిటీ, ఏదో ఒక క్రీడ అనేది సో ఆడుతూ ఉంటే మానసికంగా ఉల్లాసంగా ఉంటుంది. ప్లస్ మీరు ఆ చదువులో కూడా రాణిస్తారు. ప్లస్ ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ ఉపయోగాలు ఉంటాయి ఈ స్పోర్ట్స్ వలన. సో ఒక్కసారి ఈ నారాయణ స్కూల్స్ యాజమాన్యం ఈ స్పోర్ట్స్ మీట్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నందుకు ఇదొక శుభ పరిణామం. సో అలాగే అందరూ పాటించాలి. మేము చదువుకునేటప్పుడు ఈ గవర్నమెంట్ స్కూల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, స్పోర్ట్స్ గ్రౌండ్స్ ఉండేవి. ఇలా ఈ స్పోర్ట్స్ కాంపిటీషన్స్ అలాంటివి జరిగేవి కాదు. సో ఈ నవేడేస్ ఇప్పుడు అందరూ ఈ స్పోర్ట్స్, ఈ జోనల్ మీట్ లాగా స్పోర్ట్స్ కాంపిటీషన్స్ స్కూల్స్ లెవెల్స్లో, ఇంటర్ బ్రాంచెస్ లేకపోతే విత్ ఇన్ ద స్కూల్స్లో ఈ స్పోర్ట్స్ కాంపిటీషన్స్ ఇవి కండక్ట్ చేయటం చాలా ఆనందదాయకం. నన్ను ఇక్కడ ఒక గెస్ట్గా ఇన్వైట్ చేయడం కూడా నాకు బాగా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. ఇదే కాకుండా ఇంకొక విషయం ఏంటంటే, నేను ఇంటర్మీడియట్ చదివేటప్పుడు మాకు ఇంగ్లీష్ లెక్చరర్గా ఇక్కడ పనిచేస్తున్న ఏజిఎం సార్ నాగరాజు గారు ఉండేవాళ్ళు. సో సార్ స్టూడెంట్ నేను. సో మేము అప్పుడు వికాస్ జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చదివేవాళ్ళం. సో వికాస్ జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ గుంటూరులో ఉండేది. సార్ అప్పుడు మాకు లెక్చరర్. సార్ కూడా ఈ సందర్భంగా ఇక్కడ కలవటం నాకు సంతోషంగా ఉంది. సో అలాగే ఈ కల్చరల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ స్కూల్స్ ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తాను చూస్తున్నాను. ఈ క్లాసికల్ డ్యాన్సెస్ కానీ ఇలాంటి కల్చరల్ మనం ఆల్రెడీ ఎప్పుడూ మర్చిపోయిన ఈ భరతనాట్యం ఇలాంటివి కూడా సో స్కూల్స్ యాజమాన్యం స్కూల్స్లో ఇస్తున్నారు శిక్షణ. అలాగే తల్లిదండ్రులు కూడా సో స్పెషల్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తీసుకొని ఇప్పుడు చూసాము ఇద్దరు పిల్లలు, గీతిక అనే స్మాల్ కిడ్ క్లాసికల్ డాన్స్, అలాగే వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ అలా ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తున్నందుకు వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్కి, స్కూల్స్కి, స్కూల్ స్టాఫ్కి, యాజమాన్యానికి అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటూ ఇలాంటి స్పోర్ట్స్ మీట్స్ స్టూడెంట్కి ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండే ఇలాంటి స్పోర్ట్స్ కాంపిటీషన్స్ ఇలాంటివి ఎక్కువ జరగాలని కోరుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable words to our students. I request all the students to please be seated. I request all the students please be seated there itself. So now I request all the dignitaries on
Salute to the flag. Salute. Alright. We don't stop until we rise.
on the stage. So now let us start our today's NPL by the ceremony of lamp lighting. I request all the dignitaries to join the lamp lighting. Ladies, take position. Ladies.
मेरा कार्ड हो गया है ब्लॉक करने के लिए।
शुभं कुरुध्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदम् शत्रुमुक्तिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सत्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ज्योतिब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषाक्षपुराव्ययः ज्योतिब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषाक्षपुराव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश गतिं स्वच्छामि मे सदा रमेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रमेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य दृष्टे गृहे दीपं तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुध्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदम् शुभं कुरुध्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदम् शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुध्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदम् शुभं कुरुध्वं कल्याणम् हरतु मे पापम् सत्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ज्योतिब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषाक्षपुराव्ययः ज्योतिब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषाक्षपुराव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश रतिं स्वच्छामि मे सदा रमेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रमेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य दृष्टे गृहे दीपं तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरु
Chinchpeta branch. I request all the students to please be seated. Please be seated.
కొంచెం జరగమన్న జరగండి అమ్మా అందరూ సెంటర్ జరగండి. టైప్ డౌన్ చేసి డౌన్ చేసి
Upstock's margin trading facility. 4x the power.
Thank you, students. Thank you for your wonderful performance. Now I request our both Delta Zone AGMs, Sivanagaraju sir and Venkateswara sir, to take the lead for the oath ceremony. I request all the sports captains to stand in a semicircle. I request all children to please stand up. And captains, stand in semicircle with your respective flags. It is please arrange it first. Group students, attention, students, attention. Get ready for oath. Very good morning to all. In the name of all commentators, I promise that we shall take part in these NPL games. Respect. In the name of all.
In the name of all, say loudly.
Commentators, I promise
that
we shall take part
in
in the NPL games
the NPL games
respecting and abiding by the rules that govern them. In the true spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of sport and the honor of our teams. I declare Guntur Delta Zone NPL Sport Meet open. All the best.
We request our chief guests and officials to kindly proceed for the balloon release. We request our chief guests and officials to kindly proceed for the balloon release. May the dreams and hopes of our Narayana students soar even higher.
I declare NPL Delta Zone NPL Sports Meet open. Let's begin our NPL Sports Meet. All the best.
Good afternoon all. So all the best. All the best. All the best. Good.
All the best, students. All the branches. All the best, Anna. Thank you.
All the best. I wish you a very happy success.
All the best, all the teams, for all the teams, participate well, but be sporty. Participating in sports, okay? Be sporty, everyone. Don't cry if you lose. Because of you only, they won, okay? All the best, once again. So, your PT is also lighting a wishing lamp that this meet should be successful.
All the best, my dear, all the 5 branches students. Okay, thank you.
All branch students, Tenali, Chinchpeta, Ponnuru, Bapatla, Repalli, 5 branch students. All the best, man. Last second varaku మీ గేమ్ లో ఫైట్ చేయండి. నీది గెలవడం కోసం లాస్ట్ సెకండ్ వరకు కూడా యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ టు ఎవరీవన్.
ఏంది కారిపోయింది.
I request Shabrin from Rebala branch to come forward to the dais. Shabrin from Rebala branch. Shabrin from Rebala branch, come forward. Shabrin from Repala branch.
మేడం చూడండి రెడీ మేడం రెడీ
Ma, give a big applause. All of you.
బాగానే ఉంది
All the players, please go back to your respective teams and get ready for track and field events. Go back to your respective teams. Take rest. All the participants, about time,
మెయింటైన్ అవుతుందిగా గ్రీన్ మెయింటైన్ అవుతుంది అక్కడ టోటల్
march forward. I would like to announce first event. Please PETs, branch PETs, please note. First event, 100 meter senior boys finals. 100 meter senior boys finals. Please report to near the starting point. Branch PETs, please submit the players list. Please submit the players list. 100 meter senior boys final list. Naveen sir, 100 meters finals boys, please report from Rebala branch. 100 meters finals boys, senior boys. Chinchipeta branch, 100 meters, please report. Report to Brahma Reddy sir. Report to Brahma Reddy sir. Babala branch, 100 meters finals boys. Babala branch. Chandra Reddy sir, please. Fast. So Tenali branch, first branch, 100 meters finals boys, senior boys. Second call, Babala branch, 100 meters senior boys. Tenali west branch, senior boy.
చూసి రామ్మ ఒకసారి
Make them in a single line, sir. Barefoot is not allowed. Barefoot is not allowed. Come with shoes. This is the final call. 100 meters senior boys from all 5 branches. Brahma Reddy sir, those who did not report, once informed to me. Only one member from one branch. No. Will not allow. Barefoot is not allowed. Please note PDs. Barefoot run not allowed. Please arrange the shoes and participate with shoes. Ramadan sir, please take the branches. All 5 branches are reported. Followed by 100 meters junior boys finals PDs. Please arrange your participants. Sir, start the race. When ready, sir? Start the race. Which branch? Only one member reported. Polu branch. This is the final count. If we did not report on time, the team is disqualified. This is the final call from Babatla branch and Chenchipara branch. So 5 members should be there. Take the cheats. Tanali host branch. So 5 members are reported. Which branch? Which branch? Repala, Jabir sir. There is no participants. Otherwise I am going to disqualify. This is the final call. Sir, finishing line. Ashok sir. Finishing. And Naveen sir, raise your notebook. Naveen sir. For record, arrange the notebook and pen. And give the points, all of the points. First, take A4 sheets. Naveen sir, first. Remaining rest of the children, now track event is going on. Don't roam on the track. I said don't roam on the track. Anjali sir, stay there and don't allow any children to on the track. Girls, go back. Girls, go back. Don't roam on the track. Now event is going to start. Girls, don't come here. And boys, which branch? That loud. Go back, go back. Dattatre sir, don't allow them. Don't allow them. On track. Event is going on. Sir, respected all teachers, please don't allow on the track. Don't send for any washroom or water right now. Teachers, please don't send on track. I request 5 branch teachers, please don't send. Please start the race. Open the cheese. Please take participants. And one check.
వాటర్ బాటిల్ ఏమని చెప్పారు?
I request all branch teachers, please don't allow the children on track. Don't send beside. Who is that boys? Don't come here. Sitting here, respectful, please. We are going to start the event. And Naveen sir, please note the record. Go to finish line, Naveen sir. Go to finish line. Take positions. On your marks. Follow the whistle. Wait. Sir, tell them to how to sit, how to stand, sit. Sir, inform to them. Please follow the whistle. Jabir sir once come here and take the mic. Those are going to blow the whistle due to them. Sir, wait. Mic petti visude. Please encourage. Children, don't enter the track. Event is going on. Sir, give the instructions, Ramakrishna sir, when they have to say and when they have to run. Give the proper instructions. And Naveen sir, take the record. Who's going to win? Please hand out to the sir. Dattatre sir, arrange one book on the A4 sheets. Hello. Finish it faster. Followed by get ready junior 100 meters junior boys finals. Next event 100 meters junior boys finals. Get ready.
Running a track only, don't change the track. Don't change the track. Running a track. Good finish, good finish. Sir, please note. 1, 2, 3. Navi sir, please note. Next. Hanamere junior boys. Come on, report the starting line. Hanamere junior boys. Speeders. Please arrange it faster. Jabi sir, Chennai sir. 100 meters runners. Chennai sir. From your bench, you should report. Arrange it fast. All 5 branches. Hanamere junior boys. Sir, make a proper record. When are ready, sir? 1 second. This is the first call. Hanamere junior boys. Finals. First call. Ramakrishna, sir. Those are not going to report. Just inform to me. Hanamere junior boys finals. Second call. Hanamere junior boys finals. Please report to starting point. And rest of the girls and boys, go down on the track. Girls. Barefoot is not allowed. You should run along with your shoes. Barefoot is not allowed on track. Ramakrishna sir.
హలో
Call the first one.
సార్ ఫస్ట్ ఎవరు తీసుకుంటున్నారు ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఎవరు చూస్తున్నారు ఫస్ట్ హలో
Ashok sir.
అశోక్ సార్
First. Sir, Dattatreya sir. Ambedkar sir. First gold Ashok sir is going to take. And second one, Navi sir.
అంజిరెడ్డి సెకండ్
Second, Anjali sir. And third, Jabi sir.
రమారెడ్డి సార్
Jabi sir is going to take. And record, Brahmareddy sir is going to make. Sir, first winner, Ashok sir, you should take charge. Second winner, Anjali sir from Pennur branch. Anjali sir, second winner you should take. And third, bronze medal, Repala branch, Jabi sir. You should decide. And record of maintenance, Brahmareddy sir from Nashabad branch. Maintain the record and maintain the points also, sir. Those have got gold 5 points. Those have got silver 3 points. Those have got bronze 1 point. So overall championship is there. Those have got more points in these 2 days. E-champs and E-tech now. Those have got more points. We are going to announce that the overall championship. They have separate trophy also. Final call, Hanamere junior boys. Ramakrishna sir, don't delay. Please start. Take the chase. And those are finished. Boys, don't stand there. 5 members are there. You can start. No. Again you should take the chicks. Again you should take the chicks. Don't continue as a previous one. Sir, for each round you should take the chase. No. So followed by Hanamere senior girls. All PDs please note. Next event Hanamere senior girls after junior boys. Followed by Hanamere senior girls. Please get ready. Don't command the flag. This is the second call. 100 meters senior girls. Get ready. Maintain the record, sir. Set. One goes. Running it, balance your board and run. Please note, don't change your track for 100 meters and relay. First to second track. Sir, Brahmareddy sir. Sir, Bhaskar sir, Brahmareddy sir is going to give the list. That list you can write, sir. At a time, maintain the points also, sir. Bhaskar sir, maintain the points also. Those who got gold, give 5 points. Those who got silver, give 3 points. Those who got bronze, give 1 point. This is the final call. 100 meters. Senior guys, please report to Tirumala sir and Ramakrishna sir. Report to starting point. This is the final call. And followed by 100 meters junior guys. Get ready. Followed by 100 meters junior guys. Come fast.
Senior girls, 100 meters senior girls.
Sir, those are
100 meters senior girls.
Those are not going to report on time. Please disqualify that team. PDs, please arrange. Boss, don't run on the track. Respected all teachers, all branch teachers, don't allow the children on track. And requesting you all teachers, please don't allow the children from the respected times. Sir, this is the first call. 100 meters junior girls, get ready. Now 100 meters senior girls, everything is going on. Followed by 100 meters junior girls, get ready. Who is that boy running? He's running on the track. I said don't allow. This is the first call. 100 meters junior girls, get ready. Report to starting point. 100 meters junior girls, first call. They are all 5 branch PTs. Please note, arrange your players on time. This is the second call. 100 meters junior girls, finals. This is the second call. And I said don't allow the children on track. The boys, please send them back. The 2 boys. Sir, start for Ramakrishna sir.
Ready sir, Ambedkar.
Run, guys. Running the track on don't change the block. Don't change the block. The boys, movers. Running the track on don't change the block. Don't change the block. Very good, run guys. Yeah, Brahmareddy sir. Take the result. Yeah, this is the final call. 100 meters junior girls. Please report.
100 meters junior girls. Come fast.
Report to Ramakrishna sir.
Report here, 100 meters junior girls.
This is the final call.
Report. 100 meters junior girls. Dattatreya, 100 meters junior girls.
Anjali sir, senior. What happened?
ఆ ట్రాక్ లో 4, 5 వచ్చేవాడు లేదు సినిమా. ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ వచ్చినాడు, ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ కేసులు ఏమంటే రంటే పోయి కొడతలా
So what happened, Ramakrishna sir? Any disturbance? Sir, Akshar's decision is the final decision. Please don't involve any PTs. Akshar's decision is the final decision. Don't argue with your Akshar's. We arrange swaggers, next swaggers. Only referees, please stay here. Only officials, please stay here. This is the final call, 100 minutes junior guys, please report. This is the final call. Ashok sir, what is the disturbance? Sir, we arrange the next stragglers.
Jabir sir, మీ స్టూడెంట్ రావాలి సార్. జబీర్ సార్.
Each straggle distance is 1.50 meters. From one straggle to another straggle.
Where are you? Jabir sir, where is your player?
Only upstairs stay here.
She is there or not? Please inform here. Jabir sir.
Rebel branch, Jabir sir. This is the last round, 100 meters junior girls finals.
Okay.
Ambedkar sir. Relay battles, please arrange. Dakatale sir. Relay battles, 5 colors. Relay battles, please arrange. And followed by next event, 4 into 50 meters means 200 meters. Relay, senior boys, finals. This is the first call, 4 into 50 meters, 200 meters. Relay, senior boys, finals. So, in this relay, from each branch, 4 members is going to participate. Like that, arrange your players. Repala branch, Bapala branch, Pannur branch, Chinchpet and Tenali branch. Next event, 4 into 50 meters, relay, senior boys, finals. From each branch, 4 members is going to participate. Now finals is going on, 100 meters junior girls. Sir, Afshar, referee's decision is the final decision. Don't argue with referees. Those are going to argue. Please. Unwash, guys. Unwash. Don't change your track. Ready, same track. Don't change the track. Unwash. Sir, give the proper instructions. They should run that one track only. Ramakrishna sir, give the proper instructions. They should run that one track only. They should not change the track. Please inform to the all players, all athletes. This is the first call. 4 into 50 meters. 4 into 50 meters relay. Senior boys finals. Jabir sir arranged a 4 into 50 meter final bus from each branch. 4 members. They should not change the track. Ashok sir. First athlete here. Second athlete. Sir, Ashok sir. Second athlete. Arrange the marking. Arrange the marking. Small change, 4 into 100 meters relay. So each person, they should run full track, 1 round. Anil sir, if you have any concern, please inform to me. Don't argue with the referees.
Seniors 4 into 100. So 100 meters complete relay.
4 into 100 meters relay. Each bench 4 members. This is the second call. going to report on time. I'm going to discuss by that particular branch. We don't have more time. Please try to understand
లోపల ఉండే ఏజమ్మ
our staff members. From each branch, 4 members should be participate. Take the chicks again and arrange the track. They should run their own track only. They should not change the track. Those are going to change the track. The team is disqualified. This is the final round for the 9 minutes relay. 4 members should be report. Followed by 4 into 100 minutes junior boys. This is the first round. Please arrange.
బాపట్ల ఫస్ట్ లెగ్ ఎవరు? హూ ఇస్ ఫస్ట్ లెగ్?
Ramakrishna sir, arrange 1 member. Remaining 2 members, they should sit down.
రిమైనింగ్ సిట్ డౌన్.
Sit down. Second leg, third leg and fourth leg, they should sit down.
ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ లెగ్.
All girls and boys, those are going to participate in 4 into 100 minutes relay. We are going to show one demo. Please observe the demo with the PETs. So please show the demo. How to color the pattern. We are going to show one demo. Ready? Start. So those are submit. They should vacate the track immediately. So please come with the event fastly. This is the second call for India Unlimited Junior Boys. Please report. JB sir, arrange your team, junior team.
ఈ ట్యాగ్ నెంబర్ ఒకటి ఒకే ట్యాగ్ లో పోవాలి ఒకటో నెంబర్ ఈ ట్యాగ్ సెకండ్ నెంబర్ సెకండ్ ట్యాగ్ లోనే వెళ్ళాలి ట్యాగ్ నెంబర్ 4 లోనే వెళ్ళాలి Under mark. Position.
Second leg, please arrange. Get ready, 40. And up. Balance your body and run. Those are submitted, please make it, guys. Don't enter the back. Toilet. I request our branch teachers, please don't allow the kicks and track. Fourth leg. These are options. Fourth leg. It is the last round, fourth leg. Don't change the leg. The man is holding the leg properly and take the names. Basket sir, please alert the points. Those are got gold. Please give 5 points. Basket sir. Those are got gold, 5 points. Boys, make it the ground, boys. Chaliye, sir. Please make it the ground. Ramakrishna sir, how many of the junior boys, please? How many of the junior boys online? 14 tournaments, junior boys. Please report. This is the final call. 14 tournaments.
4 into 100. Juniors come here. 4 into 100. 4 into 100 meters. Juniors come here. Come here.
This is the final call. 14 tournaments. Junior boys. Now sir, please hand over the participant list to another teacher and accordingly they will announce your team. This is followed by 14 to 100 meters relay senior girls. After this, juniors, boys, finals followed by 14 to 100 meters senior girls. Ramakrishna sir, say the rules within 1 minute. Don't delay.
Number.
Please note. I request all branch teachers. Please don't allow the children on track or to branch. They are disturbing the track. They are running here and there. Please maintain the discipline, children. I request all branch teachers. Don't allow the children to branch.
Reporting Ternali, Ponnuru, Bapatla.
Boys. Ambedkar sir, those are extras in them. That's children. Still they are learning.
Repala branch. Report here. Repala. Last one.
Repala branch. Joby sir. What is your parents?
Hello? We are not giving any lunch break for any specified time. You can have your lunch at respective places only. After completing events, everyone can have their lunch at tents only. No specific lunch break will be given.
Please note all teachers. We are not giving any lunch time due to time delay. So those are complete the event. Let them have their lunch in the respective tent only. We arrange in order. Ramakrishna sir, please stand for a moment. Available branch. Please arrange your hand. Very minute of July guys. This is the first time. Very minutes. This is the first time. Second. Naveen, move aside. Sir, same right. They are running same right. Sir, Ramakrishna sir, give proper instruction. They are running. One more. This will not change the back. You will not change the back. You will not change the back. Bhaskar sir, make a record. Bhaskar sir, we have overall championship. Once Ramakrishna sir and Ashok sir, Please check the points. They are measuring points are not wrong. Krishna sir, please check it. This is the second call. For the anonymous junior girls. This is second call. 4 into 100 meter junior girls.
4 into 100 meter junior girls. Come on, report here.
Ashok sir.
4 into 100.
They are measuring the points also, no? Points. This is the final call. Junior girls finals 4 into 100 meters. Please report.
Sir, third place ki 1 or 2.
I need proper points. I will ask Ramakrishna sir and Asha sir. Please maintain the points hold. This Bhaskar sir. Bhaskar sir. This is got gold medal. May give 5 points. This is got silver medal 3 points. This is got bronze medal 1 point.
Sir, now announce junior girls 4 into 100.
Junior girls are coming. 4 into 100 meters junior girls. Please repeat. This is the second call. Regular branch.
Come first. Spread. Here. Kunur, come here. Second. Third. Fourth.
Please be getting down. The Papa sir. Send them first.
First leg.
ఏదో గేమ్లో ఒకసారి నుంచి పెట్టుకుని గెలుస్తున్నారు ఏదో జనాలను బాగా అదే చెప్తున్నాయి అదే బాబు నేను చెప్పేది అయితే ఎంతురా కాదు తేడాలు ఉండేరా
Sir, junior 100 meters. 4 into 100 meters, sir.
4 into 100 meters junior girls finals.
Senior complete already. Senior.
Yeah, sorry. 4 into 100 meters senior girls finals. Followed by 4 into 100 meters junior girls finals.
Seniors 4 into 100.
Move fast, children. We are going to start the event. Please vacate the track.
Tenali Repala report.
PEDs, please note. All branch PEDs, please note. Please send your Olympiad children to participate chess. 3 branches. Chess competition is there only for Olympiad. All PEDs, please note. Olympiad, Repala branch, Tenali 1 branch, Babala branch. We are going to conduct chess. From each branch, one by one branch.
Repala.
Please report to me.
Repala branch, come here.
Please report to me.
Repala. Color set. Second plan.
pass over.
Please note, don't. Come on, try. We are going to start the event. The paper is off. Don't delete it. Guys, please move. This is the first call for the anonymous junior girls. Please report. Sir, one second, Ramakrishna sir. Some boys are standing in. Please make it. Please send them. More. Only participants should be here. Boys with us. Only participants should be here. Non-participants don't enter the track. And girls with it. Girls with it.
Anurma, set.
Ready, pilot? This is the final guys. Nice, anonymous junior guys. Please report. This is the fourth leg. Good announcement, sir. Good announcement. Bhaskar sir, please. Take the result. This is the final time for the anonymous junior guys. Please report. Bhaskar sir, take the names also with the admission number. Please measure the ground. All participants and non-participants, those who finish the race, please measure the ground. This is the final call. For India nominees, Relay Junior Girls. Ramakrishna sir. Call the participants for India nominees Junior Girls finals. Followed by short put, senior boys and junior boys finals. Both of them, we have 8 puts. This is the final call. 400 meters, junior girls. Sir, Ambedkar sir, which branch is reported? Only Pramod branch is reported. Nuri sir. All branch is not reported. Naman sir. Chandrayadu sir. Babatla Chandrayadu sir. Babatla branch. Babatla branch. And Jabir sir. Babatla branch. Babatla branch. Junior girls are not reported.
Sir.
We don't have more time. Please arrange it fastly.
It is humble request for the pre-teachers. Don't run along with your students. You are disturbing all tracks. Navin sir, especially, you please run with the students. Dattatraya sir also.
Another sir. Another sir. Those are going to take the finals. Let them show ya. Remaining all PEDs are stacked. Let them stand that side. Or between the track. Dear staff, please note, don't run along with your participants. This effect. Labor branch is not recorded. Jibir sir. Jibir sir.
Jabir sir, please report.
I request all the students not to participate without having lunch. I request all the students must not participate without having lunch. They are eligible only if they have only lunch only.
Jabir sir, where are you?
आगे चेक कैमरा कैमरा जो लाइव सर लाइव ఇది
ఛానల్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్
పేరేంటి
నేమ్ ఏంటి అదేంటి సార్
ఇవర పైన రేడర్స్
నారాయణదా
అదే నారాయణ బ్రాంచ్ నారాయణ
ఇన్స్టాలో నారాయణ ఉంది కదా
దానిలో దొరికింది లైవా పైన ఛానల్ బండి అన్న ఫోటో అన్న ఎంత సార్ ఇది
Please arrange them. If they are working with PEDs, please keep it the same to stocks.
Hi guys. మాడప్పుడు అది మ్యాచ్ ఉండరా మాడప్పుడు మన తీసారు
అరే బస్సులో కొట్టుకోలేదురా తీసుకెళ్తారా ఇటు నుంచి అది వేరే కదా అరే
Sir, start first, start first. Ramakrishna sir, start first. Call the service first. Call the service first. Ashok sir, Ramakrishna sir, Ramakrishna sir, start first. Here we called 3 PEDs from another town. Ramanand sir from Nashabada branch, Ashok sir, Secondary branch. Piduvara Ramakrishna sir, they are the main 3 referees. Their decision is the final decision. Please don't argue with them. Now we increase the strike for last event. Don't mind.
ఛార్జింగ్ కాదు బ్యాటరీ మారుతారా బ్యాటరీ ఉంటుంది
Shabash. Next event followed by Shotput senior boys and junior boys. Please report. Leave the Shotput pitch. All PDs, 5 and 3Ds. Please arrange your Shotput children. Junior boys and senior boys. Second leg. Sir, second leg, Ashok sir. Sir, please go down with the children. Sir, stand with us. Sir, stand with us. Stand with me, please, down. Sir, down. Sir, have the stand with the children. Please ask the children. Sir, please down. Anjali sir, please bring down with the children. Sir, please bring down with the children.
అది పోతున్నారా లింక్ లో వస్తుంది మామూలుగా ఫోన్లో రాదు
Don't bring with children. Anjali sir, please. So next event, Shotput, senior boys and junior boys fellas. Next event, Shotput, senior boys and junior boys fellas.
అన్నడికి రాదా తీతం
Sir, look at the ground. All participants, please look at the ground. The brother, sir. Please, send the children. Listen, sir. Ramakisha sir. I said before also, without shoe, don't allow. So those are not our shoes.
Laptop then
Please
we
discount them and give a chance to another branch. I said clearly, don't bring it to basement. Sir, tomorrow sir, don't run with your business. And I said clearly, don't run with business. Those are run with business. Please discount on the field. Ramakisha sir, Brahmananda sir, and Ashok sir. Those are run with a shoe. They discount. I say, from Shari and Sasa, I will come to you. With a shoe, don't enter the track. From Shari and Sasa, I will come to you. Here is it. Yakara, no concern, please.